This is my honest review of Karo syrup. Um, it's just a pantry staple that I think almost everybody needs to have. Karo syrup, light corn syrup. It's really basically a a sweetener. I mean, it's high fructose. It's 0 grams of high fructose corn syrup, which is nice. Um, it's a light corn syrup. It is a sweetener that is used commonly in baking and cooking. It's made from cornstarch that's been hydrolyzed to produce glucose and fructose, resulting in a sweet liquid. Um, it's used in recipes including pies, candies, sauces, and glazes. I mean, if you've ever made a pecan pie here in America, you're going to use light corn syrup. It's also used in candy making and fudge making. I used to own a Rocky Mountain chocolate factory, and we used it in the making of fudge and candy. So get yourself some light Karo corn syrup. It's great.